Bullish Movr cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $39.79 and $75.16 by 2030. Market investigators accept Movr could reach $30.95 by 2025. Bearish Movr market cost expectation for 2023 is $7.07. Movr presentation. The Moonbeam parachain utilizes the Movr system as a testing channel. The venture's goal is to give Moonbeam developers a strong climate so they might begin testing and investigating their dApps. A parachain planned explicitly for the Polkadot framework is Movr. How about we examine the way this functions? It's specialized in essential investigation and the Movr cost estimate. What is Movr? The Moonbeam idea was uncovered in June 2021, and after this, Movr was laid out. A change layer 1 chain called Moonbeam duplicates the logs, memberships, keys, accounts, Web3 RPC, and other fundamental components of Ethereum. The framework licenses developers to assess their advancements in a certifiable, functional computerized market. Prior to delivering their works to Moonbeam, engineers can survey how well their application's capability under true circumstances and make fundamental changes. Moonbeam is quite Polkadot's most powerful brilliant agreement, additionally viable with Ethereum. Benefits of Movr as a Movr designer. You partake in a few advantages of utilizing this organization, for example, easy access. Since Movr is continuously being tried, clients can get to the best and most recent exploratory forms. You can get to projects that can possibly disturb the market and speed up the reception of cryptographic forms of money since these frameworks are open to the overall population. At the point when the conventions are officially settled, gain a more profound handle of these innovations and apply that information to upgrade your return for money invested results. Programmers' instruments, various engineer apparatuses, and help are one more significant benefit that Movr offers. The organization gives developers admittance to administrations like the chart and Chainlink to further develop the dApp structure. Its base qualities likewise incorporate administrations of organization joining for ERC20 and SPEC token. Since its introduction, the Movr idea has proactively experienced critical acknowledgement. The capacity to give clients admittance to the Ethereum DeFi biological system without paying costly expenses or managing weighty traffic is an additional advantage for engineers. The organization, for example, permits clients to utilize various popular Ethereum-based apparatuses, including Truffle, Waffle, Hardhat, Remix, and MetaMask. Movr key examination. Movr is an organization that the local area works itself. Clients can make ideas for working on any region of the organization. Clients can pick chamber delegates, recommend component or cost changes, and pick how the local area depository ought to be utilized. One of the vital attributes of future DeFi networks is local area administration. These projects help in saving nearby networks. Furthermore, they ensure that those with the main stakes are heard. Clients cast their votes involving Movr tokens in the Movr nearby administration framework. Your vote has more power the more MVOR tokens you stake. Also, this strategy supports keeping up with the rising worth of Movr. Movr token. On the Ethereum organization, Movr is a coin that is ERC20 consistent. In the environment, these tokens are fundamental. Utilizing these advanced monetary forms, clients should likewise pay exchange charges. Movr is open on most decentralized trades that help Ethereum. Movr is at present worth $8.84 USD. Movr has moved 8.93% as of now with an exchanging volume of $13,740,461. Movr is right now positioned 373 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $54,868,000 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Movr to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Movr market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Movr Value Expectation 2023 Movr, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Movr cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $13.26. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $12.38 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Movr is supposed to have a base worth of $10.61. Movr Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Movr cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Movr will before long outperform $22.11. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Movr's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Movr will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17.68 and a typical exchanging cost of $19.45. Movr value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $30.95 and Movr might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Movr is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $28.30 and a low of $26.53 in 2025. Movr value expectation 2026. In the event that Movr effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the Movr coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Movr will be green in 2026. The Movr is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $39.79, with a base cost of $35.37 and a typical cost of $37.14. Movr value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Movr cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $45.98 by 2027, with a base cost of $44.21 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Movr has a most extreme value worth of $48.63. Movr value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $54.82. In the event that Movr figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $57.48. Neglecting to assemble the help Movr needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $53.05. Movr value forecast 2029. While Movr is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $61.90 and a yearly cost close above $66.32 in 2029. Movr value expectation 2030. By 2030, Movr will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $70.74 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $75.16, averaging out at $72.51. Movr value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Movr cost